Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to change File Explorer quick access to this PC. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently upgrade Windows 10 to 11 and whenever you try to open File Explorer, you will notice it's appear the recent file and it's going to be appear this some folder which is you've been using for always. So you might be looking for how to change this quick access to this PC. Normally whenever we want to jump over this PC, we open the File Explorer and then we go here this PC and it's open this PC. Why we can't change direct to this PC? So in order to do that, you need to open the File Explorer first time and then you need to click this three dot. After click over three dot, you need to click here options and then you can just see a pop-up appear. Here it's saying to open File Explorer to quick access. By default, it's quick access. We're going to choose it to this PC and then we're going to click here apply and then we're going to click here OK. Now if I close it and then if I again open this File Explorer, we're going to see in this time it's appear this PC, which is really quite interesting, which is really very useful. So within this way you can easily change quick access to this PC in your Windows 11 File Explorer. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.